on, guys? Got a work order here for the hot water doesn't last long enough. It says also the water will turn cold before I'm able to fill up the bath. So go over here and we will check out the faucet, see if the water's hot. It's getting pretty hot, so I guess we'll take a look at the temperature here on the thermostats on the water tank. Got two elements in here, the top and the bottom, and see if we can turn the thermostat up a little bit for them. Set right at 120. Normally I'll bump them up to 125 to 128. Usually makes a pretty big difference. Usually don't get called back after that. And this pipe is like right in the way of the screw. One's right at 120 as well. So we'll turn them both up. Top one. There's the bottom one. I heard it kick on. So it's a pretty easy one here for you new guys. Got a complaint that a resident's running out of hot water quick. Can bump the water tank up a little bit. Maybe they're taking long showers. But I mean, the water was pretty hot at the sink, so I know everything's working good. Yeah, that's pretty hot. So I think we'll go with that. We'll set it about 125 to 128 roughly. Alright, just throw the covers back on and call this one good. Alright, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.